I really think that what I'm about to show you is the easiest way to create motion graphics right now. You'll be able to create explainer animations like this on any topic in this exact style that everyone's copying right now, made famous by the YouTube channel Vox. Or you'll be able to create informational visuals that move through animated maps like this, similar to the style used by popular YouTuber Johnny Harris. This method lets you create motion graphics in any style you can think of, and it does it completely automatically for you. You might have the same thought I do sometimes, that your videos are boring and they could use some visuals to make them more interesting, but you don't have any motion design skills yourself. That's why this method is so mind-blowing, because AI does everything for you automatically using a tool called the Higgsfield MCP. This is going to be a really quick video because this is really simple to do, so let's jump in. Okay, so to do this, you first need to set up the MCP. You do that here on the Higgsfield website, which I'll put a link to in the description to this video so that you can easily find it. Head here, set up an account, which I'm pretty sure is free to do, and then just head to this link up here at the top of the Higgsfield website that says MCP and CLI. This page has instructions on how to set up the Higgsfield MCP. It's really easy to set up. All you need to know is that you use the MCP through an AI, either the Claude AI you're seeing here or the ChatGPT AI. I use Claude, so I'd follow these 3 simple steps to get the Higgsfield MCP set up inside Claude. But if you use ChatGPT, you'd follow these 2 steps here instead. And once you've followed those 3 steps, you'll find that you've ended up inside Claude, and that Higgsfield is now connected into your Claude, which you'll see here, along with your other Claude connections. Higgsfield's connected because you've pointed Claude towards that Higgsfield MCP by following those steps you saw on the Higgsfield website. Okay, so now you've got that set up. Let me show you how easy it is to create something like this, something that copies the style of a popular YouTube channel to make motion graphics for you in that style. So this is copying the style of the YouTube channel Vox I mentioned at the start. You can see we're playing this inside Claude because this was made for me inside Claude. This is going to blow you away with how easy this is to do. So first off, inside Claude, I always make sure that I have the Fable 5 model selected. Yes, it's the most expensive model because it's the latest and most powerful, but I found that Fable 5 always gives me the best results here compared to the other models. So select Fable 5, then just make sure that you definitely have that Higgsfield connector turned on, and you're just going to type in a prompt like this. This is the exact prompts that I used, so take a screenshot of this if you want to refer back to it later. It's a really simple prompt. That's the beauty of this method. You just need to tell your AI to research the YouTube channel so that it can replicate that channel's style in the prompts it's going to create for you. Then just tell your AI how long you want your final video to be with this line. And then I found it useful to just tell the AI that I'm going to be using Higgsfield later to generate from this prompt so that the AI knows to write a prompt that's going to work best with Higgsfield. That's literally all you have to do. You don't need to know anything else about motion design or artistic styles. Just type this in, press submit, and the AI will do all the research it needs to do for you and write out the perfect prompt. And almost instantly, in less than a minute, the AI will give you back a prompt that's ready to go like this. If we click this to open it, for us to then use to generate our final video. So what we're going to do is just copy this prompt that you get given back, then just start a new chat. I found that this works best if you start a new chat window after that step. Then you're simply going to paste in the prompt that you were just given by your AI and just type in these 2 lines. Type in that you want the pasted prompt to be made into a motion graphic from Higgsfield. And I found it important to write this too. Just make sure that you instruct the AI to always use correct spelling, directions, and positioning of everything in your motion graphic. And after a few minutes, when that's finished, your finished video appears in Claude or ChatGPT if you're using ChatGPT right here, and you'll be able to download this straight from Higgsfield and use these motion graphics in the video you're creating. Super straightforward and simple. And let's say there's a generic style you want to copy, like the paper cutout style used here in this motion graphic. You want to make something like this rather than copying a specific channel style. That's super easy too. You just use a prompt like this. So screenshot this if you need to copy this out. But the only difference here is you just tell the AI to get Higgsfield to use its motion design skills, and then just declare the specific visual style that you want used here in this style instruction, and your AI and the Higgsfield MCP will go ahead and do all the rest and give you something just like this. Super simple. There's a lot of tutorials popping up showing you how to use AI to create motion graphics, but they're still packed full of really complex steps. So it blew my mind yesterday when I discovered how simple and straightforward this method was. Like I said, you can find the Higgsfield site and grab the MCP if you follow the link in the description. I'll probably pin that link to a comment down in the comments too. I found it nuts when I realized that you can get AI to go ahead and research the visual style of any YouTube channel out there and then craft a prompt for you that will generate motion graphics in that style that you want to replicate. Let me know if you've seen any simpler methods than this in the comments below. Have fun making motion graphics, and you can also use Higgsfield to create explainer videos up to 10 minutes in length automatically. You don't have to do anything apart from type a prompt there too. I've done a step-by-step tutorial on how to do those as well. If you're interested in making something more than just a motion graphic, check that out next, and I'll see you on the next one. Exciting times.